Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get games on Gamma. First, ensure your Gamma device is fully charged and connected to a stable internet connection. It is also crucial to confirm you have sufficient storage space, perhaps at least 500 megabytes for smaller titles, and understand the supported game file formats. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful game acquisition process, preventing common issues before you even begin downloading or transferring files. Next, you will need to source your game files. Always acquire games from reputable and legal digital storefronts or platforms to ensure authenticity and safety. Before downloading, verify that the game files are compatible with Gamma's operating system and hardware specifications. Remember to consider file sizes. Some modern games can easily require several gigabytes of storage, so plan accordingly for your device's capacity. Once you have your game files, it is time to transfer them to your Gamma device. You can connect Gamma to a computer using a compatible USB-C cable for a direct transfer. Alternatively, for convenience, use a secure Wi-Fi network to wirelessly transfer files through Gamma's built-in file manager. Simply drag and drop your game files into the designated games folder on your Gamma's internal storage, ensuring they are correctly placed. Finally, you are ready to launch and enjoy your games on Gamma. Navigate to the Games Library section within Gamma's main menu, which should now display your newly transferred titles. Select the desired game from your list and follow any on-screen prompts that may appear, such as initial setup or updates. In just a few moments, you will be immersed in your chosen gaming experience, ready for hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.